my newest video of beauty hacks. If in case you have missed the earlier video, then don't forget to click on the link mentioned below in the description box. So let's get started. Now you can get the perfect French manicure with a rubber band. This is so easy and non-messy. Wrap a rubber band around your finger so that it lies straight across the nail. Then use nail polish to paint the part of the nail that is sticking out at the top. And voila, your French manicure at home is ready. Now you guys can treat the suntan by simply adding fresh aloe vera juice and some lime juice on an ice tray. Now you can apply this on your tan skin and see the magical effects. Your tan will completely go off. Now guys, stop towel drying your hair. Instead, dry your hair with your old t-shirt and this will not create friction and your hair will be smooth, soft and glowing. I love to hear from you guys, so do keep writing in, and if you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button and also don't forget to subscribe. Until we meet next, it's all about being beautiful.